Mangoes are a delicious and nutritious fruit that has been enjoyed by people all over the world for thousands of years. They are native to Southeast Asia, but are now grown in many tropical and subtropical regions, including Latin America, Africa, and the Caribbean. Please like and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. In addition to their health benefits, mangoes also have a long and fascinating history. They have been cultivated in India for over 4,000 years and were first mentioned in Hindu texts around 2000 BCE. They were later brought to the Middle East and Africa by traders and were then introduced to the Americas by the Spanish and Portuguese in the 15th and 16th centuries. Today, India is the world's largest producer of mangoes, followed by China, Indonesia, and Pakistan. Mangoes have also played a significant cultural role in many societies. They are considered a symbol of love and prosperity in India and are often given as gifts during weddings and other celebrations. In the Philippines, the mango tree is considered a symbol of good luck, and it is customary to plant one when a baby is born. It's also important to consider the environmental impacts of mango farming. High demand for mangoes can lead to monoculture planting and deforestation, and the use of pesticides and other chemicals can negatively affect local ecosystems. Look for sustainably grown mangoes and those that are certified organic to ensure that they were grown in an environmentally friendly manner. In summary, mangoes are not only delicious but also packed with nutritional benefits. They have a long and rich history and cultural significance. They are enjoyed by people all over the world, but it's important to also consider the environmental impact of farming practices. Choosing sustainably grown, organic mango is a step towards a better future. One of the key health benefits of mangoes is their high nutrient content. They are a great source of vitamins and C, as well as dietary fiber and antioxidants. These nutrients can help support a healthy immune system, as well as promote healthy skin and vision. They also contain enzymes that aid in digestion and may help to relieve constipation. Mangoes have been used in traditional medicine for centuries. In Ayurvedic medicine, a traditional system of medicine in India, the ripe fruit is considered to have a sweet, cooling energy and is used to soothe and balance the heat and agitation caused by certain health conditions. The unripe fruit, on the other hand, is considered to have a sour, heating energy and is used to stimulate digestion and promote a healthy appetite. In the culinary aspect, mangoes can be used in a wide variety of dishes, from sweet to savory. They can be eaten fresh, canned, dried, or cooked. They are a popular ingredient in chutneys and curries, as well as in fruit salads and smoothies. They can also be used to make jams, jellies, and preserves. The sweet, juicy flesh of the fruit makes it ideal for desserts such as cakes, ice cream, sorbet, smoothies, and fruit salads. The skin and seed of the fruit can be used to make chutneys, pickles, and relishes, with a unique flavor that balances savory and sweet. There are hundreds of different types of mangoes, which can vary widely in size, shape, color, and flavor. Some of the most popular varieties include Alfonso, Kent, and Haddon. The science behind the mango is that it contains high levels of vitamin C, vitamin and vitamin B6, plus a good dose of fiber, all of which promote healthy digestion. Its high level of antioxidants, specifically a type called polyphenols, have been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties, which can help protect against some types of cancer and other diseases. Mangoes are generally considered safe to eat, with no significant side effects. However, eating too many can cause stomach upset, and some people may have an allergic reaction to the fruit. If you're allergic to birch pollen, you may be more likely to have an allergic reaction to mangoes. If you experience any symptoms such as itching, rash, or difficulty breathing after eating a mango, it's important to seek medical attention right away. In conclusion, mangoes are a delicious and nutritious fruit that has been enjoyed by people all over the world for thousands of years. They are a rich source of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that promote healthy digestion, healthy skin, and vision. They can be used in various culinary dishes and traditional medicine, with hundreds of varieties available and minimal side effects. It's easy to see why mangoes are such a beloved fruit. Thank you for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. Please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe for more content. It helps us out and encourages us to keep creating more videos like this one. Until the next video, we hope you have a healthy and happy day.